Welcome back to another episode of VR for Dummies. Now, in episode 3, we are going to be making a direct movement for our games. You can move around using the joysticks on our controller here. Now, before we actually do that, though, I just want to mention you can get the source code for this on Patreon. The link is down below. What's going on, guys? My name is Muddy Wolf, aka Tyler Potts, and we are going to get started now. So guys, if you haven't watched the last video, you can head back and check that out. The link will be down below as well. You can check the start of this season and this one. It's all the links will all be down below. So if you haven't caught up with this and where we are so far, that's fine. I'm going to show you where we are right now. All right, guys, hopefully you can see this pretty well. We can see we got our hands. We can turn, and for some reason we are 10 feet above the table, but we can also teleport by holding the trigger. I don't know where the camera is or where I'm pointing, but we can use the trigger and move around. So we can teleport about, but we cannot walk around. If we press the joystick, we do nothing. So to add direct movement, it's made super easy with the XR Godot Tools. So we already have those installed. I showed you how to install those in a previous video. So if you haven't checked that out again, go check it out. Now here in our player scene, all I want to do is I want to go on the left hand and I want to go, I can press. So if you have come from the previous tutorials and you have an issue where you can't find, when you press Control Shift A, where you can't find the scene you're looking for, you actually need to turn on add-ons at the bottom now. So we'll actually search the add-ons folder. So we want to search for movement direct. So that's going to give us this function right here. If we click this and add it to our scene, we will now be able to move. Now you can change the max speed. If you can strafe, that means moving left to right and not just forward in the way you're looking. So I want to add strafe on, and the input action is primary. I'm just going to leave that at default for now. We can save this, and this is all you need to do to get movement working, by the way. So let's just put our headset back on. Let's hit play. Let me grab the second controller as well. And now if I push forward, back, left and right, you can see I'm actually moving now. I can turn around and walk this way. I can move left, right. I can, we can't jump yet, but that's coming, that's coming. And look, we can just, before we hit this table, well, again, we are really tall. I need to reset my view. I don't know if this will help. Reset view. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. I mean, it's made us smaller, so I can now reach this. So we've now got a block, but we can run around with our block. Look, we're going away from this. Let's see. Oh, it went too far. But there you go. And we can still teleport about as well if we want to teleport. Look, we'll go out into the abyss. And we can teleport back. Boop, boop. And there you go. So you can see it adds simple movement into our game. It's dead simple how to do it. Just using the joystick, moving forward, back and forth. Really easily there. So there you go. That is how we add movement into our VR game. Let's get out of this. All right, guys. So as you see, that's all it takes to add movement to your game when you're using the Godot XR tools. Super awesome. I know I say this probably every video, but the tools are so useful. They're so well made, and it makes making XR or VR games in Godot really easy. All right, guys, so let me know what you want to see in the next video, whether that be jumping, grabbing, well, we can grab thingy, but climbing or other things like that. Let me know what you want to see, and I will try and implement it in the next video for VR for Dummies. Or if you want to see a whole different series, maybe building a whole game with a specific objective at the end, and we can go through doing that. Or if you want to see something non-VR related, more Godot related, or Blender, 3D modeling, any of that, let me know what you want to see, and I will try and do that for you. But anyway, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Don't forget to check out the Patreon. It really helps support the channel, so any sort of patronage is really appreciated, guys. The link's down below, and you can get the source code for this game or this project down below. The link will just be somewhere under the description. Anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.